Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. We're currently about halfway through the football season here in England, and rather remarkably, my team, Arsenal, the pride of North London, are currently sitting pretty at the top of the Premier League, 8 points clear of their nearest rivals, Manchester City, who admittedly do have one game in hand. The last time Arsenal won the Premier League was in the 2003-2004 season. So that's almost 20 years ago. There's a whole generation of young fans who've never seen us win the title. And even though we're looking like a very good side at the moment, I don't like to get too optimistic. I don't like to get too carried away. I don't want to get my hopes up because I know those hopes may well be dashed in the next few months. If you talk about not getting your hopes up, or not wanting to get your hopes up, or not building someone else's hopes up, you basically mean that you don't want to become too confident or too optimistic before success or progress has actually been achieved. So you might say something like, listen, I don't want to build your hopes up, but I will have a word with my boss and see if there are any openings that you might be able to fit into. Okay? Hey, listen, don't get your hopes up. It might not happen yet. It's a bit like the idea of not counting your chickens before the eggs have hatched. You might also say something like, listen, don't get the kids' hopes up about the trip to Disneyland. Don't build their hopes up about the trip to Disneyland. It might never happen. We're not even sure we can afford it yet. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use don't build your hopes up, don't get your hopes up. Up the Arsenal.